Hi. Nothing new. 3 p.m. I'm finally going to the gym. Kinda late for Sunday. Most likely it will be packed with people, which I absolutely love. Oh well. I'll survive. Feels like the nature reflects my mood. Well, it's a bit better now, right? I think so. With me walking, thank God I know now what helps me to get out of those dark thoughts. Walking, a lot of walking. I went to the gym and now I'm walking and walking and walking and walking and walking again and walking again. My God, look at that cloud. Wow. Yeah, it's like what's happening here. Oh well, it's better now. We all should know what works for us. For me, it's walking and running when my knees don't hurt. So yeah, but I probably should head home soon because I'm afraid it's gonna pour very soon, and I don't believe forecasts, they always lie. So I'll wrap up my 10,000 and go home and do some writing. I have just a scene and a half to write. I don't even have to write it out. I have to plan a lot. But the good thing is that... Oh gosh. Sorry. The good thing is that I have them in my... Like one, I don't really have. Like that half that I have to finish, I don't really have it. So I can write a plan. But the final scene, I think I got it. I think I got the whole thing. And you know what else? Yesterday... I watched one interview and they started talking about Whiplash and Daniel, gosh, how do I pronounce his last name correctly? Chazelle? I think Chazelle. So, and I remembered that Whiplash was a short film first, like proof of concept thing. And now I'm thinking, what if my story can also be a proof of concept short film? And it can eventually become something bigger. I don't know. But the bad thing is that it's about domestic violence, and just right now this new Blake Lively movie came out and it turned out that it is about domestic violence. Not a good idea to have the same topic. But we'll see how much time it will take us to make it. So maybe people will kind of switch their attention to something else. So it won't look like, oh, another film about domestic violence. Oh well. We'll see. It's like you never know, nothing is guaranteed in this business. Some films get like 10 years to be made, like Bohemian Rhapsody took them 10 years to make. So, I don't know. Just thinking out loud, but that thought made me very happy yesterday. Yep. Okie doke. I hope you're doing well there. Should I maybe just go home and watch a movie? I got tons of unhealthy, not sweet stuff yesterday, which I couldn't eat because I lost my appetite, but maybe I should just watch a movie and just eat my yummy, unhealthy stuff. It's Sunday. I've been good all week. I almost wrote the script. Come on. I deserved it, right? Maybe this is a day off, right? This is what Sunday's supposed to be, right? Day off. Well, hello, lovely people. Tell me how you're spending your, Sunday? I just binge watched the whole first season of Friends. Yeah. Oh, 20, how many episodes are there? And I officially would like to thank the creators of Friends for lightening my mood and day, and now I feel much better. And I feel like tomorrow I can conquer the world again. So, yeah. It's like old but good. Oh, what's the expression? Oldie but goodie? Yep. I was pretty much useless today. Just the what? Gym, that's the word I've been looking for. Yeah, just the gym and a lot of walking. Oh, it makes me sad that I haven't finished writing the scenes I wanted to write. But it's okay. I can do it tomorrow. Meeting with the friends tomorrow for coffee. And then writing again. It's okay. I took a break today. I needed it. Spend it with friends. And it's also okay. I'll be fine. Sometimes we all need a break, right? So I had my break. Okay. I hope we all have a great beginning of the new week tomorrow. As usual, thank you so much for listening, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.